Meaning of fashion designer.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer. A fashion designer is a professional who designs clothing, accessories, and footwear. They create unique designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Fashion designers need to have a keen eye for detail, an understanding of fabrics and materials, as well as an appreciation for color and texture. They often work with a team of professionals, including pattern makers, tailors, and seamstresses to bring their designs to life. Fashion designers play an important role in the fashion industry, shaping trends and influencing the way people dress.